Graphing hyperbola functions is a common mathematics exam 1 question, so here's how to sketch them fast. The first step is to determine the shape of the graph. Looking at the rule of this function, we can see that there's a negative in front of the fractional part, and so this means that the hyperbola, the curve, is going to lie in the second and in the fourth quadrant. The second step is to then work out the equation of the asymptotes. For the vertical asymptote, we let the denominator equal 0 and then solve for x. And so doing this, we're going to get x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for x, x is equal to minus 1. For the horizontal asymptote, this is going to equal the line y is equal to the constant that's outside the fractional part. And so this is going to be the line y is equal to 2. The third step is to work out the x and y intercepts. For the x-intercept, we let y is equal to 0 and then solve for x. And so doing this, we're going to get x is equal to half. For the y-intercept, we let x is equal to 0 and then solve for y. And so doing this, we're going to get y is equal to minus 1. And the final step is to sketch a graph. And so from here, we draw the x and y axes. We draw in the asymptotes and label them with its equations. We're marking the x and y intercepts and then sketch the curve. Now that you know how to sketch a hyperbola, try to see if you can correctly sketch this hyperbola from the 2023 Exam 1 paper. It was worth 3 marks. See how you go, and if you get stuck or need help, then you can check out the solutions at mathsmethodsclub.com.au. Just log into the website, and from the year menu, select 2023, go down to exam number and choose exam 1, and for question number, select question 3 and then click on filter. This is then going to instantly show you the video solution to this exam question. Try out the question and see how you go, and if you get stuck, you can watch the video solutions. And once you feel comfortable answering this question, then try out other exam questions related to this topic where you have to sketch a power function. To do this, just click on the reset button, and from the main topic, select functions and graphs, and then from the subtopic, select power functions. Go down to exam number, choose exam 1, and then click on filter. This is then going to instantly group all the past mathematics exam questions in the exam 1 that's related to sketching power functions. So go through these questions and try to sketch all the graphs that are in these exam papers. Once you go through these, you're going to feel quite comfortable answering these types of questions, and you're going to be in a better position to get full marks for your SACs and exams when it comes to sketching these types of graphs.